Cleaning windows used to be time-consuming, risky, and honestly frustrating. But in 2026, robotic window cleaners are changing everything. Today on Global Deal Explorer, we're counting down the top 5 robotic window cleaners that combine smart technology, powerful performance, and real convenience. Let's find the perfect one for your home. Starting at number 5, we have the Purerobo WV1S, a solid entry-level smart cleaner with a unique twist. What makes this model stand out is its vibration cleaning technology, which helps break down stubborn dirt, while the dual water spray system keeps the surface consistently wet for a smoother wipe. With strong suction power, it sticks securely to vertical surfaces like windows, mirrors, and even tiles. In terms of design, it's compact, lightweight, and easy to use, perfect for apartments or smaller homes. While it may not have the most advanced navigation, it delivers reliable performance at a great value. At number 4, the Liectroux YW509 steps things up with smarter navigation and better coverage. This model features a 4-way water spray system, ensuring even moisture distribution for streak-free results. Its laser sensor navigation allows it to map cleaning paths efficiently, avoiding missed spots and unnecessary repetition. Built for versatility, it works not only on windows, but also on glass doors, walls, and even floors. If you're looking for a balance between smart features and affordability, this is a strong contender. Coming in at number 3, we have the Liectroux S11, a powerful and reliable upgrade. With 9 kPa suction power, this robot delivers serious grip and stability, even on tall or slippery surfaces. The 4-way spray system ensures consistent cleaning, while its smart memory feature remembers cleaning paths to improve efficiency. This means fewer missed spots and faster cleaning cycles. Its build quality feels premium, and it's designed for long-term durability, making it ideal for homeowners who want dependable performance. In second place, the ABIR WD9 delivers a near-perfect balance of power, intelligence, and quiet operation. With an impressive 9,000 PA suction, it handles tough dirt with ease. Its wet and dry cleaning system allows it to scrub, wipe, and polish all in one pass. Equipped with laser sensors, it navigates precisely across surfaces while maintaining a low noise level, making it ideal for everyday use without disruption. This is a premium option for users who want strong performance with refined operation. And taking the number 1 spot, the Liectroux S9, the most advanced robotic window cleaner of 2026. This model stands out with its dual roller brushes, delivering a deeper, more effective clean compared to traditional flat systems. Its 6-way water spray system ensures maximum coverage, while its 9 kPa suction power keeps it firmly in place. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to work on frameless glass, something many competitors struggle with. Add in smart app control, and you get a fully modern cleaning experience right from your smartphone. So there you have it, the top 5 robotic window cleaners of 2026. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly efficiency or top-tier innovation, there's a perfect option for every home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart product reviews from Global Deal Explorer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.